Hey flyers, I call this build reverse cowboy. Gosh, I hope this thing flies. Oh man. All right, here we go. Oh boy, air unit with GepRc Rocket, and we've got a lot of weight on the back, so hopefully we can balance this out. All right, here we go. Let's try to fly it. All right, reverse cowboy. First scene here. Here we go. Reverse cowboy with the GepRc Rocket. This will be interesting.
Walking home late at night, maybe 2:30. A little drunk, but I'm alright, 'cause I've been hanging with you, and it feels like love. Tell me if I'm wrong, 'cause it feels like love. Yeah, it feels like love. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine. And you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know if you want this true. Baby, you just make me feel crazy. A little crazy for you. Hey. I think about you and I want you here with me. Am I out of my mind, or is this how it should be? You made me sing about love, so just tell me if I'm wrong, but it feels like love. Yeah, it feels like love. Yeah.
Wow, just a lot. That's it. You're not gonna get much more out of this battery. She's carrying a ton of weight. Smooth.
A little crazy for you.
I can get her in nice and smooth. Oh, whoa, not that way. Oh, man. I guess that's where we're gonna land, huh? In the fence. We still recording? All right, so dead random. There it is, reverse cowboy. I was flying with the high voltage 1100, but it's a little bit oh man, we didn't scuff our lens up, I hope. Guess I hope not. Alright, she's good. But yeah, alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect here because we're getting low on power. But hope you like that. Reverse cowboy with the GepRc Rocket. Later, bye. You should let me know.